the picturesque kingdom of Glimmerdale, where crystal-clear rivers sparkled under the golden sun, and emerald-green forests whispered ancient secrets, there lived a little Barbie princess named Lucy. Lucy was no ordinary princess. Her heart was as warm as the morning sun, and her curiosity knew no bounds. Lucy loved exploring the grand castle of Glimmerdale, which had countless corridors, towering spires, and mysterious nooks. But there was one place she had never dared to explore: the enchanted hall. Legends whispered that the hall held secrets of an ancient magical world, accessible only to the one chosen by fate. The mysterious hidden door. One bright morning, Lucy, dressed in her shimmering pink gown, tiptoed into the enchanted hall. Sunlight streamed through stained glass windows, painting the walls in hues of sapphire, ruby, and gold. At the far end of the hall stood an intricate golden mirror adorned with carvings of stars, moons, and magical creatures. As Lucy approached the mirror, she noticed something unusual. Her reflection smiled back, but then winked. Startled yet intrigued, Lucy reached out to touch the mirror. To her amazement, her fingers sank through its surface like ripples in a pond. Suddenly, the mirror shimmered and revealed a hidden door behind it, carved with glowing symbols. Entering a magical world. Lucy hesitated for a moment, but couldn't resist the pull of adventure. She pushed the door open and stepped through, finding herself in a breathtaking world unlike anything she had ever seen. Trees with silver leaves sparkled under a sky filled with floating rainbow-colored clouds. Rivers flowed with glistening golden water, and the air hummed with the sweet sound of chirping magical birds. "Welcome, Princess Lucy," came a gentle voice. Lucy turned to see a tiny, glowing fairy hovering near her shoulder. The fairy had radiant wings that shimmered like gemstones and introduced herself as Fiora, the guardian of the magical realm. "Why am I here?" Lucy asked, her eyes wide with wonder. "You have been chosen to restore balance to our world," Fiora explained. "The magical light that sustains our realm is fading because the enchanted crystal of harmony has been stolen. The quest begins." Fiora led Lucy to a group of friendly woodland creatures, including a wise owl named Orlin, a playful bunny called Pippin, and a brave squirrel named Tilly. Together, they explained the importance of the crystal of harmony. Without it, the magical world would lose its light and life. The crystal was taken by the shadow sorcerer, who hides in the dark hollow, Orlin said gravely. "But to reach him, you must pass 3 magical trials." Lucy, determined to help, nodded. "Tell me what I need to do." The first trial, the Whispering Woods. The group set off toward the Whispering Woods, the site of the first trial. The woods were alive with murmuring voices, and the trees seemed to shift and move as Lucy walked past. To pass this trial, you must listen carefully and find the true path, Fiora said. Lucy closed her eyes, focusing on the whispers. Most were confusing, but one soft voice stood out. It guided her toward a hidden trail lined with glowing flowers. As she stepped onto the path, the woods grew still, and a golden bridge appeared, leading her out. "You have a brave and focused heart, Lucy," Fiora said. "On to the next trial." The second trial, the River of Reflection. The group arrived at the River of Reflection, a shimmering waterway that mirrored the sky perfectly. In the center of the river was a silver boat. To cross, you must face your fears, Fiora explained. As Lucy stepped into the boat, the river began to swirl, and images of her deepest fears appeared in the water, getting lost, failing her kingdom, and disappointing her loved ones. But Lucy reminded herself of her courage. "I am stronger than my fears," she declared. The swirling images faded, and the boat carried her safely across. On the other side, Fiora beamed with pride. "You have a strong and fearless spirit." The final trial, the Maze of Shadows. The last trial was the Maze of Shadows, a labyrinth filled with shifting walls and dark illusions. Lucy entered, holding Fiora's light to guide her. The shadows tried to confuse her, showing her false paths and frightening images, but Lucy trusted her instincts and Fiora's guidance. After what felt like hours, Lucy found the maze's heart, a glowing pedestal with the shadow sorcerer standing beside it. He was tall and cloaked in darkness, holding the crystal of harmony in his hands. Facing the shadow sorcerer. "You think you can take this from me?" the shadow sorcerer sneered. Lucy stood tall. "The crystal doesn't belong to you. The light it holds is for everyone." The shadow sorcerer laughed, but Lucy's courage didn't waver. She reached out, and her kindness and determination caused the crystal to glow brightly. The sorcerer recoiled, his shadows dissolving in the radiant light. "No," he cried as he vanished, leaving the crystal behind. Restoring the magical world. Lucy placed the crystal of harmony back on the pedestal. Light burst forth, restoring color and vibrancy to the magical world. The silver trees shimmered brighter, the golden river sparkled, and the magical creatures cheered. "You have saved our world, Princess Lucy," Fiora said, her voice filled with gratitude. "Your bravery and kindness have brought harmony back to us." Returning home. The hidden door reappeared, and Fiora led Lucy back to the castle. Before Lucy stepped through, Fiora gave her a small, glowing charm. "This will remind you of your adventure and the courage within you," Fiora said. Lucy returned to Glimmerdale, her heart full of joy. Though the magical door disappeared, she knew the lessons of bravery, kindness, and determination would stay with her forever. The end. Little Princess Lucy's magical adventure through the hidden door became a cherished tale in the kingdom, inspiring everyone to believe in the power of light, love, and courage. Glowing star.